Hey, what's up guys? So today we're organizing our garage. We just got these bikes and unfortunately we don't have space to park both our cars in here. A lot of people have garages and they do not park in their garages. Why? Because they got too much junk and they're not organized well enough. So today we're going to build some shelves, hang up these bikes. You can click the link on the description if you want to see how to make the shelves or how to hang up the bikes. We're going to have two different links for that. So hope you enjoy. Check it out. Alright you guys, hope you enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. As you can see, I can finally park in the garage again, and the shelves we got were a little bit different. We got them on sale for $35 at Menards. So for two of them, 70 bucks. The bike hooks, I actually got it from a friend for free, but typically it's going to cost you $5 a hook from Walmart. So the total of this project cost us $70 to clean our garage, organize it, cabinets, the hooks, everything. Looks awesome. Thanks for watching. Check out the link in the description if you want to see how to hang the bikes. Check it out. Thanks. God bless. God bless the USA. Peace.